Hey guys, today I'm doing a review of the Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool. The price of this multi-tool is around 25 to 30 pounds. I think that's a good price for this kind of multi-tool, simply because the quality of the knife, or the tools is immaculate. Obviously you can see here that I've already opened up the pliers. Let's go back here. They're good pliers, really sturdy. So the pliers themselves are really good. Let's just close that up. Comes with a fine edge blade, which is a good fine edge blade actually. Serrated blade, so cutting cord, paracord, snares, wire, anything really that's just string, I guess. Screwdriver, scissors, bottle opener and can opener, Phillips head, another screwdriver, and a good saw. And I've cut down a tree with this little saw, proof that it works. And if I can just show you the quality of this multi-tool. See, it has a little picture on each side. The problem with this multi-tool is these little grips, these little plastic rubberized grips. When you put WD-40 on this to loosen up these, because they're really tough to pull back. I mean really hard. I mean, you can hurt yourself with it. You can put some WD-40 on to loosen them up. Then these grips start to come loose. So, you know, it's kind of a two scenario problem. Have the grips on, but hurt your fingers trying to get the tools out, or give your fingers a break and the grips come off. So that's a bit of a problem with that, because with the Leathermans, it's all metal. You need to worry about that. So that's a quick review of the Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool. Damn, those chickens keep escaping. Look at them. Little bastards. Right. Just see, it's blurred, but you know, it should focus in. Here it does. Yeah, these are good pliers. They are really good. Turn it back over here. Alright guys, that's been a fast review. The Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool. So 25–30 pounds. It's a good tool. Nylon sheath, sturdy, good quality as well. Feels nice and looks nice. Definitely get it, guys, if you're looking for a multi-tool that's cheap. Because I know Leatherman Wave, they're like £70, £60. And if you want something to start off with, or you just want a good, reliable, good-looking multi-tool, this is the multi-tool for you. Alright guys, I hope you found this review helpful. If so, please give us a like. Alright, peace out guys.